Radiant pools are versatile and durable, starting with walls that are an incredible 2 inches thick. They stand up to brutal winters, don't rot over time, and are excellent at retaining heat. Built with multiple aluminum sheets, an inner core of polystyrene, and a network of interlocking exterior panels, these pools are truly unlike anything else in the industry. Radiant proudly offers a lifetime warranty that's fully transferable and also covers against any damage that could be sustained or any manufacturing defects. If you sell your home or sell only the pool itself, then the warranty transfers to the new owner and they too are issued a lifetime warranty certificate. You will not find anything comparable to this on the market. Radiant offers incredible features and benefits that you won't find in other pools. They can be installed completely above ground, partially buried, or fully in ground if you so desire. A standout feature of these pools are the stairs, making entering and exiting very easy. There are also many different choices for liners and wall patterns that allow you to really add a unique look and style to your investment. We invite you to reach out to us and learn more about Radiant pools today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.